welcome to day 5, I think we're on now, and I'm just gonna whiz straight in. Oh, right there on the top again. Amazing. Okay, let me just zoom in a fraction. Okay, so let's crack on with day 5. This is, just to let you know as well, I won't be doing Advent opening on Saturday or Sunday because I'll have my normal tutorial going live on Saturday evening. So I'll do an Advent tomorrow, which will be Friday, and then the next Advent video will be on Monday, but that'll be a bit of a bumper video because we'll have Saturday, Sunday and Monday all in the one video. So it's like a little bumper unboxing on Monday. But yeah, normal tutorial, which is actually a really nice one as well on Saturday night, so make sure that you tune in for that one. So, ooh, we've gone pinks and purples this time for number 5, and a few speckles as well. So let's just wait for the camera to decide to focus. There we go. So we've got beautiful shades yet again. So as I say, pinks and purples, and some of these pinks are actually really bright neon pinks. I don't quite think the camera picks up just how bright this is in real life. It is really, really bright. So we've got very pale pinks all the way through with the really hot neon pinks, and then through to some beautiful shades of purple as well. And we've got little speckles. So the speckles obviously are in theme with the overall colours. So we've got some nice pink speckles here, and then we've got some of the purple speckles as well. So yet another absolutely beautiful one. I shall just bring back very quickly all the other ones that we've had so far as well. So these are all the different ones that I've had so far. So every single one of them is just as beautiful as the last, and as I say, I cannot wait to get through all of them. So that is day number 5. So let me just pick out number 5 again, and as I said before, this you'll get another Advent unboxing tomorrow, which will be Friday, and then the next Advent will be a bumper Advent unboxing on Monday. But make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss the lovely tutorial that is coming on Saturday. It is a really, really brilliant stitch for scarves and blankets, and it's so cozy and warm. So I will see you tomorrow for Advent, and then I will see you on Saturday for a normal tutorial. Bye for now.